Hello student, welcome to our standard 7 mathematics chapter number 11 perimeter and area. In last sessions we completed exercise 11.2. In these sessions we can try to complete our exercise 11.3. Students, ready with your stationaries? Here is your question number 1. Question number 1 of the exercise 11.3 standard 7 mathematics. Find the circumferences of the circle with the radius like this way: a is equal to 14, b is equal to 28 and c is equal to 21, and take pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Circumference is nothing but it's a perimeters, but in circle we can say special name, not perimeter, circumference. Okay beta? Yes, so moving around a circle, it's a circumferences. Whenever the radius is the 14, here radius is the half of the diameter, is it or not? Yes, you are knowing very well what is the radius and what is the diameter. Area of circle you are knowing very well, pi r square. R square means r square. Here they ask only circumferences. 2 pi r is the circumferences formula, isn't it? So 2 pi r, multiply it, you will get 88 centimeter. In second you will get a 176 centimeter, and third one you can get it a 132 centimeter. Anyone has doubt regarding this one? Just simplified. It is already clearly said in the questions. Okay, now look at here students. This is the first question. We'll go to our, we can check out what is the second one. My dear student, second one is the find the area of the following circles. Given is that radius 14, b is equal to 49 diameter, and radius is equal to 5. Radius, just now we take it, area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Yes my dear student, pi r square is here, and you can just put the value of 14 and find out. You will get a 616 millimeter square. For second one, it's a diameter is given. Diameter is nothing but d is equal to 2r. That means r is equal to 24.5 by dividing 49 by 2. Okay, put this value in our formula, pi r square. Is it? Yes. And when you simplify it, you will get it 1886. Same way, radius for 5 centimeter, you will get it here 78.57. I think so. It is very clearly said and explained in the video. Okay, now look at the question number 3. But we get the circumferences and area of the circle very clearly. If the circumferences of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius, also find the area of the sheet. Here they gave us pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Sometimes we have to take 3.14. Yes, what the things are given? The circumferences of the circular sheet is equal to 154. Isn't it? Yes. So now solution is here. 2 pi r is equal to 154. Yes, my dear student, 2 into 22 upon 7 multiplied by r. We have to go to find the r value. So keep it on the r left side and transpose the value to the right side. Yes, 49 by 2, that means a 24.5. Now area of the circular sheet is equal to pi r square. Now you are the pi, and 22.7 r you already got it, 24.5. 24.5 multiplied 2 times. In place of that you can write 66 plus 11 multiplied by 24.5. Is it or not? Yes, 7 7 ja, multiply 77 into 24.5. Easy? Okay. So at last you will get 1886.5. Okay, my dear student, here is the question number 4 on your screen. Look at the screen. There is a gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase. If he makes 2 rounds of fence, also find the cost of the rope if it costs ₹4 per meter. Here I drawn a circular gardens, and we should have to fence it. Fence means border. Okay. So diameter of the circular garden given 21 meter. Can we find the radius of the garden? Why not? Length of the rope is equal to circumferences of garden multiplied by 2. Easily. So circumferences of circle we are knowing 2 pi r. 2 as it is. Pi means 22 upon 7 multiply by 21 by 2. Why 21 by 2 beta? Yes, because a diameter is given 21 meter as per the question. Once again I remind you, you read the question carefully, you will find it. Yes, circular rope garden. So circumference is multiplied by 2. 2 times it is there. Isn't it? 2 rounds, not 1 round. 2 round, that's why 2. Okay. So you can get it, circumference of a circle is 66 meter and multiply by 2, which gives you a 132 meter. Easy? Yes. It is written clearly with the particular red color, pink color, and cutting like this way. 7 3s are 21, 2 will cut it. Now you have 22 into 3, which gives you a 66 meter, and you have to multiply with 2. This is one circumference, second one is the 132 meter. Okay, look at the second part of the question. फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ द रोप विद द कॉस्ट ₹4 पर मीटर. 1 मीटर का 4 रुपया है, तो कितना करने का बेटा? 132 मीटर्स का कॉस्टिंग चाहिए. सो 132 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 4, which gives you a 528 rupees we have to pay for this garden circumference rope. Isn't it clear? Good, very good students. Now look at the question number 5. Question number 5 is nothing but so simple beta. I took it very fast. That's the slides. 5 is here beta. From a circular sheet of radius 4 cm, a circle of radius 3 cm is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. But here you can find it. I will show you. This is very important question. That's why I will take it once again back. Question number 4 already over. Question number 5 once again I am taking me back here. One circular sheet is there. Out of this, inside one part we have to remove. See here, 3 cm part is removed and outside is a 4 cm. Isn't it? Yes. So what is the remaining part? We have to find it. Biggest circle we can say R and smallest circle is a small r. So both formulas are common. Pi r square minus pi r square. Just pi is the common. R square minus r square. Capital R square minus small r square. 4 square minus 3 square. 4 4 is 16 and 3 3 is 9. Very good student. So 3.14 multiplied by 7 and it will give you a 21.98 centimeter square. Area of the remaining sheet is equal to area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle. And here they gave us pi is equal to 3.14. Once again, question number 6. Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find its cost if 1 meter of the lace costs ₹15. Take pi is equal to 3.14. Lace means girls are knowing very well. And border side you are keeping. Diameter of the circular table is 15, not but 1.5 meter. And we are knowing length of the lens is equal to circumferences of the circular table 2 pi r. Pi you are having 3.14, 2 is as it is, multiplied by 1.5, diameter divided by 2, that's my divided by 2, 2 will cut. Now you have 3.14 and 1.5. My dear student, here I am drawing 3.14 multiplied by 1.5. Let's start from the left side. 4, 1, 3. Isn't it? We forget about the decimal point. 5 4 is 20. 2 will be the carryover. 5 1 is 5 plus 2 7. 7 as it is. 5 3 is 15. Okay. Add it all both of you. 0, 11, 1 is as it is. 6 plus 1 7 and 4. 47, 1, 0. Now count how many points are there. 2 plus 1 3. So dot is here 1, 2 and 3. So 4.710 is the answer. Isn't it? Clear. Very good. 4.710. Either you can go through it also 10 plus 5. Isn't it? Yes, 1.5 की जगह पे लग रही है बेटा 10.5 and just multiply as it is. Very simple and 3 points you have to take out. Second one, 471 multiply by 10 plus 5 which gives you 70.65. How it came? Cost of the less, length of the less multiply by rate per meter. 1 मीटर का 15 रुपया है तो 4.71 मीटर का कितना होगा? तो रुपीस होगा 70 रुपीस एंड 65. इज इट 15 रुपीस की जगह पे आपने लगा दिया बेटा उसको 15 10 plus 5. So both the methods are here. You can go through it. Now question number 7. Question number 7 is on your screen. Can you see it better? It is a question number 7. Isn't it? See, question number 7 is here. Find the perimeter of the adjoining figure which is the semicircular including its diameter. Student, we are knowing this is the half circumferences, but you have to calculate diameter also together. Okay, diameter of the semicircle is equal to 10 centimeter is already given. You can use it. What you have to find it? Isn't it? Okay, we are knowing the perimeter of the figure is equal to perimeter of the semicircle plus diameter of the semicircle. We are knowing the perimeter of the circle is a pi d, but it's a half circle, that means divided by 2 plus 10 centimeter. Why? Diameter is 10 centimeter, that's why. And pi d for 2r, 2 will cut, that pi r will be there. Okay, very good beta. So pi into 5 centimeter plus 10 centimeter, because diameter is 10, that's why radius is pi. You will get 25.70 centimeter. Therefore perimeter of the figure is 25.70. Is it beta? Yes, half circle is a 15.70 and plus 10. Is it? Correct. Now look at the question number 8. Find the cost of the polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 if the rate of polishing is rupees 15 per meter square. My dear student, here diameter of the circular table is equal to 1.6 given and rate of polishing also given, rupees 15 per meter square. Meter square means say area inside, not a perimeter. Radius of the circular table is equal to 1.6 divided by 2, that gives you 0.8. Area of the circular tabletop is equal to pi r square. Here I shown here 3.14 multiplied by 8 is 64, which gives me a 20,096. But there are 2 plus 2 4 points. I can move my decimal point from the 6 to 2. Is it? So 4 steps I have to move left side and answer will be 2.0096 meter square. Is it better? See, the same things are given here for the multiplied. This is the multiplication of this one. Point will be here and 4 jump you have to do. Is it better? Yes, same way. Now you have the 2096 multiplied by 4, 15 rupees 1 मीटर का है, तो बेटा आपको इसका कितना करना पड़ेगा? Multiply करना पड़ेगा. Right method. 6 5s are 30. Here I am taking first this 5. 33 will be the carryover. 5 9s are 45 plus 3, that's a 48. Like that way, isn't it? So you are having a 3,1,440, and you are having to put the 4 steps left side. So answer will coming here 30.14, because you are knowing very well 1 मीटर का 15 है तो 2 मीटर का कितना रहेगा आंसर बेटा? 3 लाख का भी आएगा? 3 lakhs will come? No, never. So here you should have to use the common sense, and if you forgot to put the decimal point, you just use the common sense. Okay beta? Okay, nice, very good. Now look at here the next question, question number 9. Sazli took a wire of length 44 centimeter and bent it into the shape of the circle. Find the radius of the circle, also find its area. If the same wire is bent into the shape of a square, what will be the length of each of its sides? Which figure encloses more area? The circle of the square, circle or a square. You have to take here pi is equal to 22 upon 7. My dear student, here both the way you have to find out the areas and you have to find out length of the wire already given 44 centimeter. For a circle, we are knowing the circumferences of circle is equal to 44 and 2 pi r. 2 pi r as it is. You can find radius r is equal to 7 centimeter, because radius is very important for to find the area. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square. Pi r square means 22 upon 7 multiplied by 7 into 7. 7 will cut. You are having now 22 into 7, which gives you a 154. Isn't it? Wire is a square. We are knowing wire is a square. So side is equal to 44 divided by 4, 11 centimeter. And you can say the area of the square is equal to 121 centimeter. Using the same wire, you cannot occupy more area. But if you bend it as a circle, it will occupy a more area. Isn't it? Because 154 is greater than 121. Isn't it? Yes, my dear student, correct. Now look at here, question number 10. Very good question is here. One picture is given nearby you. Adjacent figure is given with a green color, and there are 2 eyes and 1 mouth as a circle, rectangle and a circle. From a circular card sheet of radius 40 centimeter, 2 circles of radius 3.5 centimeter and a rectangle of length 3 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter are removed as shown in the adjoining figure. Find the area of the remaining sheet. बेटा वो निकाल दो, बाकी का एरिया ढूंढ दो. क्या करेंगे सबसे पहले? एरिया ऑफ द ग्रीन शीट, that circular part, and then after area of the both eyes, and then one mouth you have to remove. So radius of the circular sheet given 40 centimeter, small eyes radius also given 3.5 centimeter, length of the rectangle is 3 and breadth is equal to 1. Now area of the removed shape is equal to area of removed circle plus area of removed rectangle. So 2 pi r square plus length into breadth, because pi r square is for one circle, 2 for 2 circles. Put the value according to the questions. You will get it 80 centimeter square. Area of the circular sheet, wall sheet is here बेटा. पहले ये ढूंढो wall sheet का बेटा ले लिया, बराबर है? ओके, तो उसका मिला बेटा 616 centimeter square. Is it or not? Correct. Now 660 centimeter square minus 80 centimeter square, which gives you a 536 centimeter square. Is it? The remaining part of the sheet. Remaining part of the sheet. Is it? Okay, very good student. Now look at the question number 11. 11 is also like that way, but here you can carefully see a circle of radius 2 centimeter is cut out from a square piece of the aluminum sheet of the side 6 centimeter. What is the area of the over aluminum sheet, left over the aluminum sheet? Is it aluminum sheet is coming like that way, but we can see it's a 6 centimeter and inside a 2 centimeter circle we have to cut. Is it? Okay, you need some more calculations. See how I did it. Side into side, that's the area of the square sheet minus pi r square. Pi r square means here 2 centimeter 2 centimeter. Is it? Yes, my dear student. 6 6 are 36 minus 33.14 multiplied by 4, which gives you 12.56, and final answer is 23.44 centimeter area remaining after cutting the 2 centimeter circular sheet. 12 number question. The circumference of a circle is 31.4 centimeter. Find the radius in the area of the circle. Is it? Yes. So circumference of the circle is given 31.4 centimeter. Yes. So circumference means around the circle. Radius is there. We have to find out. So how to find the radius? We are having the formula. Circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. Left side and right side we can put 31.4 already given in the questions, and both the side you can cut, or you can use the second method also. Keep it one side and then after you will get it r is equal to 5. Good. Now area of the circle you are having the formula pi r square. Pi you are having 3.14 and r you just now got it 5. So multiply by 5, 15.70 multiplied by 5, which gives you a 78.50 is the answer. Is it beta? Yes. Very good. Look at the question number 13. It's a very interesting question for you. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meter wide. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter. What is the area of this path? Oh, very good students. Here they gave us a very good question. Bed is surrounded by a path 4 meter wide. 4 मीटर वाइड का पाथ देने का है. Width of the path given and diameter of the flower bed also given 66 meter. Okay, now R is radius of total length, that means 66 divided by 2 plus 4. उसके बाद आउटर साइड पे है बेटा तो 37 मिल गया. इन साइड का तो आपके पास है बेटा 66 divided by 2, that's 33 meter. Now both radius you are having, big radius, big circle is a R capital square and small inside is a small circle, small r square. Now pi is as it is, 37 square minus 33 square. As it is you can say, we are knowing the identity of this one, a square minus b square. 37 plus 33, 37 minus 33 as per our identity. Yes, using this one we are having the pi 70 multiplied by 4, 74 multiply by this one, yes, 3.14, which gives you 879.20 meter square. The area of the path is 879.20 meter square. Clear? Yes, my dear student, right. Look at the question number 14. See, a circular flower garden has an area of 314 meters square. A sprinkler at the center of the garden can cover an area that has a radius of 12 meters. Will the sprinkler water the entire garden? बेटा स्प्रिंकलर देखा ना, यस, फुवारा गार्डन पे लगता है सभी जगह पे पानी देने के लिए. यस, यू आर राइट माय डियर स्टूडेंट. Area of circular flower garden is equal to 314 meters square already given. Radius of the sprinkle can cover 12 also given beta. Yes, my dear student, don't worry, I will take it back. Whatever the speed will be there. See, area of the sprinkle can cover pi r square. Okay, okay. Now it will cover 452.16 meter square. So it cover more than the garden area. Therefore, sprinkler will water the entire garden. And right side it is shown how to multiply 314 multiplied by 144, which gives you a 45,216. But there are 2 decimal point are there. You can cut it. Is it? Yes, my dear student. That means yet sprinkler can watering entire the garden. I hope so. There is no questions of 14th one. Is it? Yes, my dear student. It is so simple. Now look at the question number 15. Question number 15 is your screen. It is also so simple one. Find the circumferences of the inner and the outer circles shown in the adjoining figure. Inner side not, but outer side 19 meter and the path is 10 meter. Automatically you will get it in 9 of inner side. Is it or not? Yes. So you find out for the outer circle 2 pi r as a 19 meter, 119.32 meter. Circumference of the inner circle is equal to 19 minus 10. That means a 9, which gives a 56.52. Yes. So now you are having both the inner circle and outer circles circumferences 2 pi r. Is it beta? Yes, good. Now look at here, question number 16. It is also a very good question for you. You can check out what is the importance of this question. Is it? Yes. See, the question is here. How many times a wheel of radius 28 centimeter must rotate to go 352 meter? Take pi is equal to 22 upon 7. My dear student, here radius of the wheel is given 28 centimeter and total distance also covered given, that means 352. Okay. So how many circumferences of this wheel is there? That means you should have to go through it. A radius, using the radius you can find out the circumferences of the wheel 2 pi r. Put the value of pi as 22 upon 7, cut 7 1 is 7, 7 4 is 28, which gives you a 176. Is it? Yes. Now using this 176 total distance you can find out with the meter to centimeter. 352 meter will give you 35,200 centimeter. So now number of turns means rotations. You have to find out total distance divided by circumference of wheel. Yes, 35,200 divided by 176. Both are the even numbers. Cut with 2. Again 88 and then 17600. Again divided by 2. Again divided by 2. Again divided by 11. At last you are having the 20 turns. So 200 times. Sorry, not 20. 200 times a completion required distance. A wheel has to rotate 200 times to complete 352 meters distance. Is it? पूरा घूमेगा तो उधर से उधर तक जाएगा. क्लियर? एक बार रोटेट करता है तो 176 सेंटीमीटर का डिस्टेंस कवर करता है. हमको तो 35,200 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टेंस कवर करने का है. इजी? Yes. So from here we started and rotated from this one place to another place. That means 176 centimeter distance covered. But we are going to cover 35,200 centimeter. Is it? Yes. So divide it. 35,200 divided by 176. Good. It gives you a 200, which gives you a 200. Okay. So purposefully I use the red color, dark color, black color, blue color, light blue colors. So which cutting is going on, you can find easily, step by step. Up to the 22 whole numbers are even, that means it's divided by 2. And 7th standard students can know how to use the divisibility test, which already studied in standard 6. Divisibility test for 2, 3, 6. Everyone is knowing. And 11, at last 11. 11 has a prime number. Prime factorization. Yes, it is right. Prime factorizations. Okay, my dear students, here I think so there is no questions regarding any doubt. If you have any doubt, ask now. And you can see here you have to be careful. One thing is given in meter and one thing is given in centimeter. Try to convert in same units. Yes, correct. So here we end up our 16 questions. Last one, 17. The minute hand of a circular clock is 15 centimeter long. How far does the tip of the minute hand moves in 1 hour? एक घंटे में वो कितना कवर करेगा? Yes, my dear student, here is the 1 o'clock and afterwards it reaches out the 2 o'clock. And you have to find out a minute hand has to rotate 1 rotations. Is it? Nowadays, yeah, smart watch is coming. Apple's. Yes, smart watch having not these types of things. But in olden clock having these types of hands. Minute hand and hour hand. Hour hand moves very fast. Minute hand moves fast. Which one moves fast? Yes, minute hand, not hour hand. Hour hand moves slowly. Is it? When minute hand covers full distance 12 to 12, hour hand moves only one number, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, like that way. Okay, radius of the minute hand already given, 15 centimeter beta. Yes. So now total distance covered by the hour, that is a one circle. 60 minute हो गया बेटा. 1 hour का कितना हो गया? 60 minute. That is a पूरा circle हो गया, one circle. Circumference of the minute hand is equal to 2 pi r. R already is there, 15. Yes. So here you can take 3.14. 2 into 15, which gives you a 30. See students, here I am taking this both one. 2 into 15, which gives me a 30. And then after 3.14. Easy? 314 multiplied by 30. Easy? 0. 4 3 are 12. 1 is a carry over. 3 1 is 3 plus 1 4. 3 3 is 9. And 1 and 2 points. So 94.20 is the answer. Is it clear, beta? 94.20 centimeter. Therefore, tip of the minute hand moves 94.2 centimeter in 1 hour. Is it? Anyone has doubt regarding this one, beta? Clear? Shall we end up our today's session here? Yes. Thank you once again. Bye bye. Take care.